Okay, so asked you to try some of the second sheet on the little boxes, what I call the FNet boxes sheet. Okay, so if we look at a few of them, I only did the B for you yesterday, so let's take a look at C. I skipped A because I think it's just like all the others. I thought B and C were a little more challenging, so A should hopefully be okay. So we have M, we have A, multiply them together, 2 times 4 should be 8, kilograms times meters per second squared should be newtons, and FNet is always in the same direction as A, so it's down. Okay, FG is going to be M times G, so 9.81 times 4 should be 39.24 newtons, and it's down. Now it's this part that tends to mess people up, so this might be the line that you want to write down when you're doing it. So FNet equals F1 plus FG. FNet is 8 newtons and it's down, so it's negative. F1 is what you're trying to solve for, and FG is 39.24 newtons and it's down, so it's also negative. So when you take the 39.24 newtons to the other side, it becomes positive 31.24 newtons. So F1 is 31.24 newtons, and because it's positive, it means it's up. Okay? Maybe flipping down a few. Oh, so this one, L, doesn't have a mass, but it gives you FG. So you can get the mass, because you know that FG is equal to mg. So m is just going to be Fg divided by g. So 800 newtons divided by 9.81 meters per second squared. And when you do that, you get 81.55 kilograms. Okay? So then once you have your mass, then you can get your FNet, because it's just going to be 1 times 81.55, which is 81.55 kilogram meters per second squared, which is in Newton. A is going down, so FNet is going down. And then again, to get your F1, do FNet is equal to F1 plus FG. FNet is down, so it goes in as negative 81.55 newtons, is equal to, we don't know F1, and FG is down, so it goes in as negative 800 newtons. When you take that 800 newtons over, it becomes positive, and so you end up with an F1 of 718.45 newtons. Okay? Whoops, there really is a 1 there. It's positive, which means up. So 718.45 newtons up. Maybe one more, like this one down here with the velocities. So you have a VI, a VF, and a T, so you can get your A. So A equals VF minus VI over delta T. VF is going down, so it has to go in as a negative 1 meter per second, and VI is going up, so it goes in as a positive 1 meter per second, and the time is 4 seconds. So negative 1 is negative 2. It is not 0. Negative 2 over 4, or in other words, negative 1/2 meters per second squared. Oops. So this is, oops, well, it was negative, right? So this is 0.5 meters per second squared, and it's down. So now we can get our FNet. 1,000 times 0.5, half of 1,000 should be 500, and it should be down. FG is 1,000 times 9.81, so it's going to be 9810 newtons, and it's down. And then F1, so FNet equals F1 plus FG, so FNet is negative 500 down, equals F1 minus 9810 newtons, bring that over and you get positive 9310 newtons for F1, and it's positive, so it's up. Okay, so hopefully I addressed some of the issues. You're always welcome to send messages. Oh, if V is constant, then that means A is 0. And if A is 0, then F net should be 0. And then you can figure out what FG must be by doing F net. Sorry. So F net is equal to F1 plus FG. And we just finished saying F net was 0. And in the question, F1 is 40. So you should be able to figure out FG. And then once you get FG, you can get M, because it's just FG equals MG. Okay? So hopefully that's enough for you to be able to go back and get yourself unstuck in any spots you were stuck. Okay? And if not, ask, please.